What's your impression of Jamaican women?
Another thing is, I've always wanted to be big.
Okay. And by big, what do you mean when you say big?
And most Jamaican women, they have big, but you know how Jamaican women are. So I've always wanted to be like them.
What is your impression of Jamaican ladies?
They are pretty and they are a bit curvaceous and they are beautiful, you know. They are black and black is beautiful.
Oh, wow.
Like they are women that you cannot joke around with. Yes, they'll always defend themselves.
Hi guys, welcome to our channel. If you're new here, my name is Maureen
And I'm Maren.
Yeah, so today we're in the streets of Nairobi and you guys are going to be asking Kenyans what they think about Jamaican women. Yeah, so if you're new here, kindly consider subscribing and liking this video. Also leave us a comment of what you think about this episode. So come with us, let's go find out. Hi, how are you?
Hi.
What's your name?
Robbie.
Robbie.
Yes.
Okay, so today we're asking Kenyans, but first of all, do you know the country Jamaica?
Yes.
What do you know them for, or how do you know of them?
I know them for their music. Yes.
Music alone?
Okay, me I would say music. What else do I know about them? Music, yes. Because I grew in Eastlands. Kayole. And you know with Eastlands, na music in Jamaica, they go hand in hand.
Yeah, Eastlands and Jamaican music here in Kenya go hand in hand, right?
Yeah.
So today we're asking Kenyans, but if you're given an opportunity to travel to Jamaica, is it something you'd consider?
Yes, I would. Of course I would.
What would you look forward to experiencing or seeing when you get to Jamaica?
Their culture. What else? Of course, I would want to go to events zao huko, at least to experience now ile first hand.
You'd like to experience the concerts and the live events in Jamaica?
How they perform their music, because you know these are things that we only see on TVs and social media. So I would want to go and see, even though wana performingi kwa nini pia kwa concerts zao, ama it's just when they are doing music videos and all that. Yes. Yeah.
Okay, so on to today's main question. What do you think, what is your impression of Jamaican women?
Wow, Jamaican women. Okay. I'm just hoping I'm not going to be watanirushia mawe. Nasema aje na English.
They won't crucify you.
Yeah, they won't crucify me.
Nasema tena cause ni
okay. So I'm just hoping they're not going to crucify me. I find Jamaican women a bit loud.
Okay.
Yeah, you know, even when they are talking, they are louder. You cannot compare them with us. You cannot compare them with Ugandan women or Tanzanian women. For them, I find them to be a bit loud. Yes.
Jamaicans, let us know, is this true? Are Jamaican women loud, or Jamaicans in general loud?
Yeah, like they are women that you cannot joke around with. Yes, they'll always defend themselves. Another thing that what was your question again?
What's your impression of Jamaican women?
Another thing is, I've always wanted to be big.
Okay. And by big, what do you mean when you say big?
And most Jamaican women, they have big, but you know how Jamaican women are. So I've always wanted to be like them.
So that you love that about them?
Yes, I love that about them. Unfortunately, this is me.
You should love yourself like that. Okay.
I do love myself, of course, but you know,
you admire what they have.
Yeah, I of course I admire what they have. Yeah.
Okay, so thank you so much for your time.
You're welcome.
Hi, how are you?
I'm good.
What's your name?
Dadise.
Dadise?
Yeah.
Okay, so today we're asking Kenyans, but before I ask you the question, do you know the country Jamaica?
Jamaica, yeah.
What do you know them for, or how do you know them?
According to me, how I know them by their songs.
Okay.
Of course, they do dancehall good songs. Yeah.
Okay, and is there an artist from Jamaica that you currently love or support?
Of course. World Boss, Vibes Cartel, DeMarco, Tommy Lee, there are many.
All right. Yeah. So today's main question is, we are asking Kenyans, what do you think about Jamaican women?
For me, about Jamaican women, the way they love to bubble and whine in their videos.
Okay.
Oh my goodness. Of course, for me, I love Nyash. You know, the Jamaican ladies, they bubble.
Yeah.
Gala bubble.
Yeah.
Gala bubble in their songs. Oh my goodness.
You love that?
Yeah, I love that.
All right. And if you're given an opportunity to date or marry a Jamaican woman, is it something you'd consider?
Of course. Because if you can compare them with our ladies, I believe Jamaican ladies, they know how to to deliver love. They can prove to you they can do it.
All right.
Yeah.
And if you're given an opportunity to visit Jamaica, is it something you'd consider?
Yeah, of course.
What would you look forward to seeing when you get to Jamaica or experiencing?
First, of course, their streets and what's the common thing they have in their city, something different apart from Nairobi. What is it new they have?
Okay, so that this
Yeah.
so the reason why we do these episodes is so that Jamaicans want us to educate Kenyans more, and they say what you see in their music videos, a lot of them are Christians and not all of them live like that. So if you get those ones who whine and bubble on videos, not all of them.
Let me tell you something. You know, you can't preach wine. You can't preach water and you drink wine. Of course, it have to be behind the curtain. They have to be drinking wine. Yeah.
All right, so thank you so much. What would you like our Jamaican audience to know if they are watching? One last message to them.
Well, one last message. For me, I believe what they are doing in the music industry is good, but a little bit they should try to cut those bubbling wine and bubble.
Yeah, if they want a different perception.
Yeah.
Okay.
Because for us here Kenya, if someone asks you about Jamaica, the first thing come in your mind is gala, gala, gala,
Okay.
gala, gala, gala. Wine and bubble.
Okay. So thank you so much for your time. We really appreciate.
Thank you.
Hi, how are you?
I'm good.
How are you? What's your name?
Leora.
Leora.
Yeah.
Okay, what's your name?
Masden.
Masden.
Yes.
Okay, so today we are asking Kenyans. First of all, do you know the country Jamaica?
Yeah, I do.
What do you know them for, or what have you heard about them?
Their music
Their music
and weed.
and weed. What about you?
Their dance.
Their dance.
Yes, and culture.
Ah, okay. Is there any Jamaican artist you know or love?
I used to love Lucky Dube before he died, but yeah,
You think Lucky Dube is from Jamaica?
I think so.
What if I told you he's from South Africa?
For real.
Yeah, but Bob Marley is from Jamaica. Have you heard of Bob Marley?
I know him, but I don't like his music.
Ah, okay. So today we are asking Kenyans, what do you think about Jamaican women?
They're beautiful.
They're beautiful.
Yeah, they're beautiful.
Ah, okay. What about you?
Bubbly, bubbly.
Bub-
Yani, that's the only thing that I can say. But they are beautiful as well. So yeah.
If you're given a chance to date or marry a Jamaican woman, is it something you'd consider?
No.
Why?
Weed.
Because they smoke weed.
No, I can't. I don't do anything. I can't. So,
What about you? If you're given an opportunity to date or marry a Jamaican man, is it something you'd consider?
I know.
Why?
I just don't like this tribes. Yeah.
Ah, okay. So what if I told you Jamaican population actually 1% is only 1% take weed?
that can't be true.
It can't be true.
Because how can you have Monday to Thursday you are working, from Friday to Sunday it's party? That's the answer. So
That's what you think.
yeah, I know. I have Googled. I have the structure in my phone, but can show you, but time can't allow. So
Okay.
yeah.
And if you're given an opportunity to go to visit Jamaica and go and experience their culture, would you take it?
Yes, that's it will be like a nature park.
Ah, okay. What about you?
Yeah, I would.
You would?
Yeah.
All right, sir. So thank you so much for your time. We really appreciate it.
Welcome.
Gang.
Hi, how are you?
We are good. I'm good.
How are you?
I'm fine.
What about you?
I'm fine.
Okay, what's your name?
I'm Tracy Deza.
Tracy Deza.
Yeah.
What about you?
I'm Irene.
Irene.
Yeah.
Okay, what about you?
I'm Rain.
Maureen. Rain. Oh, wow. Okay, so today we're asking Kenyans, but first of all, do you know the country Jamaica?
Yeah, I know it.
How do you know it, or where have you heard it from?
I know it like a Caribbean country.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, where they like to eat some most of the food are seafoods. Plus
What about you? You've said something.
Weed.
You know them because of...
Popular because of the weed. Then dancehall, Kina Conscience, Vibes Cartel. Yeah.
All right, what about... Oh, you've gone. Okay, I think we've remained with both of you. Okay, so today we're asking Jamaicans, first of all, if you're given an opportunity to go to Jamaica, is it something you'd consider?
yeah, I will.
What about you?
Yeah.
Consider. What would you look forward to seeing when you get to Jamaica or experiencing?
I would like to experience the, what is it called? The cultural events, the one the ladies wear the bikinis type.
Carnival.
Carnival events. Plus also the beach. I would like to go there to see. And plus also I'll go and I would like to meet, what's her name? This popular lady, not Shansier. Huyu mwenye anakuwa matako kubwa anaitwa nani?
Nicki Minaj.
No. Nicki Minaj ni wa US. Nimesahau jina. Nikikumbuka nitakwambia.
Okay, what about you? Okay. All right, another question. What is your thoughts, what is your impression of Jamaican ladies?
They are pretty and they are big, curvaceous, and they are beautiful, you know. They are black, and black is beautiful.
Oh, wow. Okay, Sasa, thank you so much for your time. Really appreciate it.
You're welcome.
Hi, how are you?
Very fine.
What's your name?
My name is George Gashigi.
George?
Yes, Gashigi.
Okay, so today we are asking Kenyans, first of all, do you know the country Jamaica?
Yes.
What do you know them for, or how have you heard about Jamaica?
Well, when growing up, we used to listen to dancehall music, and dancehall music is mostly from that country. Yeah.
All right, and do you know any Jamaican artists you'd like to share with us?
Yes, I know a few. I know Kina Conscience and Vibes Cartel and Tyrus, really. Yeah, such. Yeah.
All right, if you're given a chance to visit Jamaica, is it something you'd consider?
Yeah, I would want to go to Jamaica. Yeah.
Is there anything in particular you'd like to go and see or experience?
Well, you see, I love traveling so that I get to understand the different people, the perspective from their country, and also their culture, their language. They have that accent, that funny accent. I would want to experience that. And also they have this vibe going on. It's a party vibe. Yeah, we want to experience that sometime.
All right, and what's your impression about Jamaican women?
Well, I'm not a choosy person, so I have nothing bad against them. Yeah.
Given a chance to marry or date, is it something you'd consider to marry or date a Jamaican woman?
Maybe, not sure, but maybe.
Maybe.
Yeah.
All right, sir. Thank you so much for your time.
Welcome.
What message can you tell our Jamaican fans who are watching?
Kenyans, we love you. Yeah, we as Kenyans, we love you. We have nothing bad against you. Yeah.
All right, sir. Thank you so much for your time.
Welcome.